What happened to Sapna's dream?
Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, Minu. Good morning, Chinu. Oh, you're all ready for school. What is the time now?
Grandma, I know how to read the time. I will look at my watch and tell you. It is 7 o'clock.
Oh, 7 o'clock. Why are you leaving for school so early?
Grandma, we are going to Sapna's house first. She has not been coming to school for the past 15 days. Our teacher asked us to go to her house and find out why.
Oh, okay. I will also come with you. I haven't met Sapna's mother for a long time. You can go to school from there, and I will stay and talk to her for some time.
Good morning, Auntie. Where is Sapna?
Good morning, children. I will call her. Sapna! Sapna! Come out quickly. See, your friend Minu has come.
Good morning, Meenu. Good morning, Chinu. Bas, how are you? I am fine, Sapna. Why are you not coming to school? It is 15 days now. We are all missing you.
Oh, she has lots of work at home. That is why she has not been going to school.
But Auntie, Sapna's brother Gopu has been coming to school. Why can't Sapna come? She can come back from school and help you with work.
Oh, Minu. What is the use of you girls going to school? It will be better if you stay at home and learn to do housework. It will help you. What are you going to do with the things you learn at school?
Oh, Sita, how can you talk like this about your daughter? Girls are also as intelligent and smart as boys. They can also achieve so many things by going to school and learning. Let me ask Sapna now. My dear, what do you want to become in life? Don't feel shy, my dear child. Tell me what you want to become. Do you want to go to school and study?
Yes, Grandma. I also want to go to school and study. I want to become a police officer and catch bad people.
You must be joking, Sapna. How can you become a police officer?
Auntie, why not? She can become a police officer if she works hard. Our teacher told us about Kiran Bedi. She is a woman and she is our country's first woman IPS officer.
What is IPS, Meenu?
It means the Indian Police Service. You have to pass the IPS exam to become a police officer. Kiran Bedi was born in Amritsar in Punjab. She worked very hard and became a fine police officer.
Kiran Bedi was born in Punjab. Chinu, where is Punjab?
I have my map, Buzz. Look here. This is the state of Punjab. And Amritsar is a place in Punjab. It is here.
Oh, Punjab is here. It is a state in the northern part of India.
Yes, Buzz. Kiran Bedi worked very hard to become a police officer. Her parents also supported her.
Sita, Meenu is right. Kiran Bedi became India's first woman police officer. Now, there are so many women who are in the police. If Sapna wants to become a police officer, you should let her study and become a police officer.
Grandma, I did not know about Kiran Bedi. I thought girls cannot do much studying in a school.
If Kiran Bedi's mother had thought like that, we would not have had a fine officer. Kiran Bedi's parents had 4 daughters and they educated all of them, Sita. Kiran Bedi is world famous and has won many awards.
Do you know something? When Kiran Bedi became a police officer, she participated in the Republic Day Parade.
Is it the Republic Day Parade that takes place on 26th January every year?
Yes, Buzz. She participated in the parade in Delhi. She was marching. She was leading a group of police. It was in the year 1973.
Oh, so many years back.
Yes, Buzz. She had just become a police officer. In 1973, Mrs. Indira Gandhi was our Prime Minister. She saw a lady leading the police group. She was very, very happy. So she invited Kiran Bedi to have breakfast with her the next morning.
Oh, what a nice thing. Kiran Bedi must have been very proud and happy.
Yes, Mrs. Indira Gandhi was also very proud and happy to see a lady police officer.
Sita, just see what women can achieve. You know of Mrs. Indira Gandhi. She was a lady who became the Prime Minister of our country. So, women can do anything. We must always support our daughters.
Auntie, you must send Sapna to school. She studies very well. All our friends miss her. Our teacher says that girls can also do big things in life. Yes, Auntie, yesterday our teacher told us about a Navy officer called Wahida. She also went to a government school in a village in Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, Auntie, in their village also, no girl had studied till class 10. But Wahida's parents allowed her to study and she became a doctor.
A doctor? She must have worked very hard.
That's right. She studied hard and joined a medical college and became a doctor. Then she joined the defense service. Now she's a doctor in the Navy.
Sita, the world is moving ahead. There are so many women in the defense and police services. There is nothing that women cannot do. They have even gone to space.
Yes, Auntie. Did you not read in the papers about Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams?
No, Chinu. I don't know how to read or write. My mother did not send me to school.
See, that is why you don't know what women are achieving. You should not make the same mistake with Sapna. Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams are Indian-born women. Sunita Williams spent many days in space. They are really world famous. People all around the world know about these women.
Yes, Auntie. Women have gone to space and reached Mount Everest also. Do you know about Bachendri Pal? She is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest.
Chinu, what is Mount Everest?
Paz, Mount Everest is a peak in the Himalayas. Do you remember the Himalayas?
I know Himalayas. It is the mountain range in northern part of India.
That's right. So Mount Everest is a peak in the Himalayas. It is the highest peak in the world.
So, Bachendri Pal climbed the highest peak.
Yes, she did. She is from Garhwal. She was the first girl in her village to go to college.
See, Sita. Women are achieving so much, and look at you. You are not even sending your daughter to school. Women are becoming president, prime ministers, and chief ministers. Even our president, Mrs. Pratibha Patil, is a lady.
Yes, Auntie. I also read so much about these women in newspapers. There are many women who are the head of big companies also.
Even the doctor in our village is a lady. I like the doctor auntie.
Yes, there are many women doctors and lawyers.
Ma, will you please send me to school? I also want to work hard and become a police officer like Kiran Bedi. I will make you very proud, Ma.
Sure, my child. I am very sorry. I was blinded by wrong beliefs. Meenu, Chinu, and Grandma have opened my eyes.
You are her mother, Sita. You cannot be her enemy. Women should encourage women. You should help her and support her to go to school. You have named her Sapna, which means dream. You should help her achieve her dream.
I will, Grandma. I did not realize that I was making a big mistake.
It is okay. You have realized your mistake now. You also should attend the evening classes in the village and learn to read and write.
Yes, Grandma. I will attend from tomorrow itself. I also feel very ashamed that I cannot read or write. Sapna, go quickly and change into your uniform. You're getting late for school.
Thank you, Ma.
I should say sorry to you. You are as dear to me as your brother. I made a mistake. I will now give you my support to become a police officer. Then I will salute you. Now run and change your clothes.
Sita, I am very happy for you. You have realized your mistake. Daughters are in no way any less than sons. They can also achieve anything they want to. They should also be allowed to dream big.
Thank you, children. You are very smart. Your grandma is very intelligent and kind.
Sita, they are smart because they go to school.
Grandma, I will also tell everyone to send their daughters to school. Thank you for teaching me.
Sapna, come. Come quickly. We are late. Let us run to school.
Thank you, Meenu. I kept crying all these days because I could not go to school. Thanks for helping me.
It's okay, Sapna. Now we will work hard and become big officers. We can also dream to become whatever we want to become. Our parents will support us. We just have to work hard to achieve our dreams.
Yes, Meenu. Now I am very happy that I can dream and achieve it also.
Friends, did you see what all women have achieved? Do you also dream to achieve something big? Do you want to work hard for that? You should work hard to achieve your dreams.
Friends, do you have a sister? Does she go to school? Do all the girls in your village go to school?
If any girl doesn't go to school, you should also visit her home like we did. You should tell their parents that it is very important to send girls to school. Girls can achieve so much. Now you know about Kiran Bedi, Wahida, Indira Gandhi, Bachendri Pal, Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, Pratibha Patil, and many other women who have become doctors, lawyers, police, and defense officers.
Friends, if your sister does not go to school, you should tell your parents to send her also to school like you. Will you do that? Some women have become very famous. Can you help Butterfly match this? Mrs. Indira Gandhi. First woman Prime Minister of India. Bachendri Pal. First Indian woman in Mount Everest. Sunita Williams. Astronaut. Kiran Bedi. First Indian woman IPS officer. Mrs. Pratibha Patil. First woman President of India. Wahida Prison. Defense Officer. Mrs. Indira Gandhi. First woman Prime Minister of India. Bachendri Pal. First Indian woman in Mount Everest. Sunita Williams. Astronaut. Kiran Bedi. First Indian woman IPS officer. Mrs. Pratibha Patil. First woman President of India. Wahida Prison. Defense Officer. Some women are very good at sports. Can you match their names with the sports they play? P.T. Usha. Athletics. Sania Mirza.
tennis. Karna Maleshwari, weightlifting. Saina Nehwal, badminton. Anju Bobby George, athletics. PT Usha, athletics. Sania Mirza, tennis. Karna Maleshwari, weightlifting. Saina Nehwal, badminton. Anju Bobby George, athletics. Friends, will you help Buzz fill in the blanks? Girls can achieve so many things by going to and girls can achieve so many things by going to school and studying hard. You have to pass the exam to become a police officer. You have to pass the IPS exam to become a police officer. Became the first woman IPS officer. Kiran Bedi became the first woman IPS officer. Was the first lady Prime Minister of India. Mrs. Indira Gandhi was the first lady Prime Minister of India. Is the first woman president of India. Mrs. Pratibha Patil is the first woman president of India. Vahida Prism went to a government school in Vahida Prism went to a government school in Jammu and Kashmir. Became a doctor in the Navy.
Wahida Prism became a doctor in the Navy and went to space. Sunita Williams and Kalpana Chawla went to space. The is a mountain range in North India. The Himalayas is a mountain range in North India. Bachendri Pal climbed Bachendri Pal climbed Mount Everest. Girls can achieve so many things by going to school and studying hard. You have to pass the IPS exam to become a police officer. Kiran Bedi became the first woman IPS officer. Mrs. Indira Gandhi was the first lady Prime Minister of India. Mrs. Pratibha Patil is the first woman President of India. Wahida Prism went to a government school in Jammu and Kashmir. Wahida Prism became a doctor in the Navy. Sunita Williams and Kalpana Chawla went to space. The Himalayas is a mountain range in North India. Bachendri Pal climbed Mount Everest. Let's see which of the following are true and which are false. Will you give your answer loudly, please? Girls are as intelligent and smart as boys. True. It is better for girls to stay at home and do housework. False. If you work hard and study, you can achieve anything. True. Punjab is in Sri Lanka. False. There were no women prime ministers in the world. False. Kiran Bedi was the first woman police officer to lead the police force in the Republic Day Parade in 1973. True. Women are becoming Prime Minister, Chief Minister, and even President in India. True. Parents need to support their daughters to help them achieve their dreams. True. Girls are as intelligent and smart as boys. True. It is better for girls to stay at home and do housework. False. If you work hard and study, you can achieve anything. True. Punjab is in Sri Lanka. False. There were no women prime ministers in the world. False. Kiran Bedi was the first woman police officer to lead the police force in the Republic Day Parade in 1973. True. Women are becoming Prime Minister, Chief Minister, and even President in India. True. Parents need to support their daughters to help them achieve their dreams. True. Let us answer these questions now. Will you take out your notebook and write them also? Who is Kiran Bedi? Where was she born? Kiran Bedi is the first woman IPS officer of India. She was born in Amritsar in Punjab. What does IPS mean? IPS means Indian Police Service. Name the 2 Indian women who went to space. Sunita Williams and Kalpana Chawla. Do you know Bachendri Pal? What is she famous for? Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman mountaineer to climb Mount Everest, which is the highest peak in the world. Who is Vahida Prism? Vahida Prism is a Kashmiri girl who studied hard and became a doctor in the Indian Navy. She is the first woman to lead a defense parade. Do you know the name of the 3 Indian defense services? The Indian Army, the Indian Air Force, and the Indian Navy. Would you like to join the defense services? Which service would you like to join? The Army, the Navy, or the Air Force? And why? Do you think girls are treated the same way as boys? Do you think all girls should also be allowed to go to school like boys?